So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how you can take advantage of the FIFA World Cup 2026 traffic surge using Monetag. Monetag is one of the fastest growing monetization platforms that allows you to earn from virtually any type of traffic out there. So whether you own a website, a blog, a mobile app, or even social media traffic, this could be one of the biggest opportunity to increase your earnings during the World Cup tournament. And also, I'll be sharing some few tips that can help you maximize your revenue before the World Cup tournament officially kickstarts. So without wasting much of your time guys, let's go straight into it and I'll show you how you can get started. So once you click on the link in the description of this video or on the pinned comment of this video, it automatically brings you up to an interface that looks exactly like what you can see on your screen. And you can see we have the start earning here. Once you click on start earning, automatically it brings you up to the sign up page. You can click on continue with Google. Ensure to click on the email address you want to continue on. And once you have this prompt comes up, you automatically click on continue here. So here you'll be required to fill out some few information, and after filling your information it will automatically take you to the home page where the magic actually happens. And once you have all of these successfully, ensure that your information are correct, and here you can click on continue. So if you look closely by the left part of your screen, so we'll be taking all of these one after the other so you can understand how you can utilize all of these tools in order to earn smartly from Monetag. So in summary, what the statistics page actually does for you is to show you a brief breakdown of what has been happening in your account, and you can also search from dates from this end. You can actually also filter the country. So for the zones, here are your smart links. So I'll be showing you quickly how you can actually create your smart links and you can start earning from them immediately, and also the operating system that your clicks actually are coming from. So on the website interface here, just like so, as you can see, I recently added one of my websites, my blog post website, which is currently undergoing verification. I'll be showing you how you can do that easily, and also I'll be showing you how you can also make posts on your website or blogs in order to start making money. So the next thing you need to do if you have a website is to come here and you click on add website. Once you click on add website, this interface automatically comes up. Yes, you get the URL of your website, then you paste your URL here just like so. Once you paste your URL of your website here just like so, then you can come here and you click on add website. So once you click on add website, some prompts will come up. Ensure to follow the prompt till the end and also to verify your website. So if you have a Telegram mini app, once you're on the Telegram mini app interface here just like so, you can get the URL of your Telegram mini app, input the URL here and you click on add and continue. So next here is the direct link. I'll be showing you how to create a link quickly. Creating links are actually easy. What you need to do is to come to this section here that says add direct link. As you can see, this is add direct link. Once you click on add direct link, it automatically creates a new link for you. As you can see, this is the link I just created. This is it here. So in total now, as you can see guys, we have 6 links, and this is the link I just created now. So let's quickly rename it to FIFA. Yes, so this is FIFA World Cup here just like so. So we want to use this FIFA World Cup link to be able to start earning from this link. So the next thing you need to do guys is for you to create an engaging post and add this link. I'll teach you how to do that in a very simple way. So the next thing you need to do guys is to head straight to your website. So this is my website. I use Blogger. So from my Blogger here, you can use blogger.com to easily get a website in less than 5 seconds. So here I want to create a new post, a new blog post. So I quickly click on new post. Here we'll be using ChatGPT to do the magic for us. So this is ChatGPT. So the next thing we need to do, we go to Google. So here you search for FIFA World Cup 2026. So once you search for FIFA World Cup 2026, as you can see, so from here now we can click here this FIFA World Cup 2026. Once you click on this section, so as you can see, this is the FIFA World Cup 2026 match. So you can click here to accept and close this up. So you can get various informations from this end. So you can come here and you click on copy. You copy this link here and you come to ChatGPT and you say, so here you can say create a blog post for the FIFA World Cup 2026 using this. So we paste the link here just like so. ChatGPT is going to do the magic for us. So as you can see, ChatGPT has done this for us. So you can come here and click on what ChatGPT has generated for us. And don't forget, you can tweak this question. Yes, you can tweak this question to better suit what you want to post it or upload or write about. So once you have all of this, you copy, then let's head back to our blog post. I just come here and I paste it here just like so. Come here and you copy this title and you paste it here just like so. So now we have our title and we have our blog. So remember, you may need to input your link, and don't forget, don't take your link so far. So you can come here and add your link here just like so. Then you can go to your Monetag, copy your link. You can copy your link here just like so. Then you can come back to your blog post. So we can come here and say click here to see more. So once you have this, you can come, you highlight it here just like so. Then you come to this icon, as you can see, insert or edit link. So you click on it here just like so. Then you paste your smart link here. Then you can authorize your smart link to open on a new tab. So we can do that. Ensure that you click this and you also click this, then you click on apply. So as you can see here now is clickable. So once you do this, remember to add your link somewhere here again, maybe at the end of the post. You can come here, highlight this, then you can click on here, edit link. So you can come here, paste your link here again just like so. So this will help viewers click on your link more quickly so that you can actually get paid for that. All that being said, we can come, once we are done with it, you can come here and you click on publish. So once you click on publish, yes, you confirm your publish. Once you confirm your publish just like so. So this is our new blog post we just created, and we want to share this post on Facebook to get more views or more clicks from Facebook. So we can come here, right click on our blog post, then we can say copy link address. So we come here, we click here just like so, then we can input our blogger link here just like so. So once you have pasted your blogger post link, so you can come here and you click on this here just like so. You click on your blog post, then you can copy the header or the title. You copy it just like so. Then you come back to your Facebook page. So let's quickly paste that here just like so. You can publish it, and for everybody that clicks on this link, it automatically brings them to your blog post, and once they click on your blog post, they can automatically click on your link here just like so. So once they click on it, it will automatically redirect them to your ads and you get paid automatically for it. As easy as that, guys. So that is how you aim from the Monetag smart link. So here we go to the payment option. This is how you actually get paid. As you can see, you can receive your payment via cryptocurrency. You can receive your payment via PayPal. You can receive your payment via Skrill. You can receive your payment via Payoneer as well. And that is it, guys. That is how easy it is to get started with Monetag and position yourself to benefit from the massive traffic expected during the FIFA World Cup 2026.